going on, guys? Welcome back to LJ Lifestyle, and today I got something really fun for you guys. If you don't recognize this place, I've been here in a couple of vlogs, so if you're new here, you won't understand, but if you've been watching my vlogs for a while, you understand that I'm at my grandparents' house, and like I said, if you haven't, I'll make sure to leave the link down below to my Thanksgiving vlog where I was here. Claire here. You know, okay, so we're here. We're at the old track. If you remember, we built a track in the Thanksgiving vlog. Actually, it was really fun. We're gonna ride the trails a couple times, and I don't know, we might do something after that. Look who's came! Maddie!
Maddie!
To be so excited, she's your sister.
I know.
Sorry,
that's sad. Yes.
They're great.
I bet they are. New though.
I know. These socks are new. These are my new pink gloves.
Yeah, we don't care, Claire.
I'm kidding. They're not new. They're not new. Hey, we're back!
Yeah!
Hey! Hey!
Emma joined us.
No!
Oh my God, we're gonna die, I swear.
Rest in peace! Rest in peace! It is pretty cold out here, but
It's
I'm not gonna
pretty
complain.
chill out here.
It's warmer than Illinois. I think 43 is better than -1.
Okay guys, so it's been a lot of days and I haven't been able to film anything. We haven't been doing much. The only thing that we really did is get a bean boozled challenge, and I actually got footage of it. So here's the footage of this. This is probably where the vlog is going to end because, again, I didn't get much footage. I don't have a lot of storage left. I have not transferred the footage over to my computer yet. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and there might be a little bit more. Not too sure yet, but enjoy.
Oh, it
Ready?
was my, it was
First one.
my Rice Krispie treat.
What is it?
God.
It can either be.
Spoiled milk or coconut.
Alright.
I can take this.
Spoiled milk.
Oh! Which one? You have to eat.
Close your eyes.
Oh, they're
There you go, right
disguised.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so this
Let's try
one
one.
is
It's either.
nope,
Moldy cheese or caramel corn.
Ooh.
Caramel corn.
No.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
Green.
it.
Lime
Easy one.
clippings,
Freshly
lime
cut.
clippings or lime. That wouldn't be too bad.
Lime clippings or lime?
No, that wouldn't be bad. Be like salad.
No, it's not.
Lime clippings.
Oh man. Alright, Jess.
Oh no.
Oh,
What's
the
good?
toothpaste or berry blue?
Oh, that's nothing. I'd do that.
Some of them aren't bad.
Berry.
Very blue. Alright, man.
Save somebody.
I can't.
Oh, that's a good one.
These socks are tutti frutti.
That's not too
Oh,
bad.
okay, that'd be fun. Cheese.
Drink after you swallow it.
Go! Which one? No.
Just swallow, get it over with.
That's not the bad thing.
Tutti frutti.
Yay!
I. Oh! What's
Uh-oh.
that? Dead fish or strawberry?
Or what? Dead fish or
Strawberry banana.
Someone is so good strawberry banana. What is it?
strawberry banana. Alright, Dalton.
Mom, are you
Hold
gonna
on.
do any more?
What did you get?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what's that?
That one's dead fish.
Dead fish or strawberry banana?
This.
Uh-oh, there's no
Dead fish.
Don't sit down.
No, he's gotta swallow it.
Here we go.
For the vlog.
Yeah, that's what is it?
Dog food?
Chocolate pudding.
Mike!
I was scared about eating that one.
Oh, that's
Mike!
I will.
Okay, Alright.
Yeah.
Get a cup.
Close your eyes.
There you go. Oh, Jenny.
Okay.
Moldy cheese or caramel corn.
Awful.
Right? Or it's not that
cheese or
one.
what?
I can
You
smell
can't tell.
it.
That's your cup.
Snorted over.
Honey, eat something.
What's wrong?
Cracker your salt.
Oh.
What?
Rotten egg.
I'm leaving. I can't watch this anymore.
I think it's a rotten egg, but I think both of those would have tasted nasty.
Okay. Okay.
I don't like butter pop.
All right, man.
Okay. Tutti frutti or stinky sauce? Got that one.
It's gonna be tutti frutti.
It's gonna be stinky sauce.
They already had two free. It's like a jelly bean. Maybe a sock, I guess.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Burger. Oh.
Come on.
Wait, what
Fight
is
through
it?
the pain. Swallow it. Dead fish.
Dead fish. Or strawberry banana smoothie.
Probably get strawberry.
Oh no, fish.
It's bad.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, good.
That sounds bad, isn't it?
Oh man.
Jessica just got dead fish.
The cookie ready. I know your pain.
Oh.
He's gagging.
Swallow it. Come on. Come on. Swallow it. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Eat something.
That's the worst, isn't it?
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And before I end the video, I actually have a couple of announcements to make. I usually don't do this, so this is kind of rare. But if you guys would like to participate, please do participate in commenting down below some of your answers, some of your suggestions about what I should do, because it'll help me and my channel out. The first one that I want to talk about is the project. And if you watched my last video, it was a magic trick, but I also had a little sneak peek look at the project. Me and Colin have done a bunch more work on it. I actually have a medium-sized video ready to go, so if you guys do want me to post it, please comment down below. Hey, post that video and I will be glad to. Second of all, I am sorry I do not post like a bunch, or I have decent amount of time that I don't post. I try to get like cool vlogs for you guys, something cool that like you guys will stay with and it won't be just like boring. So that's what I try to do. So if I ever go on like a small drought or something, then don't freak out. I'm just trying to get a cool video for you guys. Third of all, I have my cousin Mitch Davis. If you haven't seen the t-shirt, it's a radio talk show, the Mitch Davis Show, and it's really cool, really awesome fun. If you go check him out, support him, you should see the names of its Instagram, Twitter, Facebook popping up, and so much more popping up on your screen right now. Go show him some support. The stuff that he does is really cool, really awesome. He does a variety of sports, mostly the sports that are in season right now he'll do, but yeah, they're really cool. That if you want to learn what's happening, his opinion, go check him out. The Mitch Davis Show, like I said, he does all sorts of cool stuff. Fourth of all, I just want to say welcome to the new year's 2018. This is going to be my first video posted in 2018, so hope you guys have started off pretty good year, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. I will see you guys later, and thank you. Peace.